Ladies and gentlemen, the red velvet cake martini. I love this one. Look at that, man. Come on. That got Tipsy Bartender written all over it. Cake vodka. Come behind it with some creme de cacao. That's the chocolate flavor, and half milk. Buddy, I don't want milk in my drink. Well, don't drink this one. Then we got others that don't have milk in it. We got some yellow cake mix. We shake. Put that aside. Let's sexify our glass. Rim it. And that's cream cheese frosting. You can't beat that, right? Cream cheese frosting. Okay, look at this. Look at what we got going on here. Beautiful. Then we come behind with red frosting inside the glass. Okay, we're going deep, homeboy. Then we pour in that mix, okay? You gotta try this one at your next party, all right? Pour in that mix, all right? Awesome. And then we put some red velvet cake on the side of the glass. You gotta be careful with that one though, okay? Make sure it's properly balanced before you walk away, all right? And there you have it. Nickies can give this a try. Listen, for more cool cake-like cocktails, check out tipsybartender.com. Seriously, just go there and type in cake and just watch some of the results you come back with. And guys, as always, drink responsibly. Let me eat this cake, okay? On a diet, but hey, I could cheat day. Stay tipsy, drink responsibly.